Hey everyone, it's Joy here, and today I'm going to share a sneak peek for the upcoming Falloween release. This will be released on August 23rd. There will be a live release party on YouTube at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So here is the sentiment stamp. We have the fabulous fall cover plate, the Farmhouse filled pumpkin patch add-on, and then the mini messages fall sentiments. So we are going to create a card with these three projects. Today is sneak peek day one, so you'll definitely want to head to Honeybee Stamp's YouTube channel, or excuse me, blog. You're on the YouTube channel for some more inspiration. I have a piece of A2 size white cardstock. I am placing it on that fabulous fall cover plate and running it through the die cut machine. Then I have another piece of white cardstock, and I am spritzing that with distress spritz in fossilized amber to get this beautiful gold color, and I really spritzed it heavily. So we're going to set that aside to dry. I popped out all the little pieces on that fabulous fall cover plate die, and we are going to ink blend. I am starting with Wilted Violet Distress Oxide ink. Then I will be using carved pumpkin and then scattered straw. And I just want to get a nice good blend. I just thought these were fun fall colors because I can't believe we're coming into fall. That's just crazy. You guys, this release is so amazing. I'm so excited for you guys to see all the sneak peeks. I love making sneak peeks for you guys. I just think it is so much fun. So here's that scattered straw. I'm going to blend here at the bottom, and then we just have this really fun color. I'm going to spritz it lightly with that Distress Spritz in fossilized amber. It's going to give it a little bit of a gold color. Then I have the sunflowers, the larger and smaller, from the Farmhouse Filled Pumpkin Patch add-on. I am die cutting those from white cardstock. I have them placed on Waffle Flowers grip mat because it's going to be so easy to stencil them, because they're stuck down to this grip mat. It's fantastic. So I'm going to start with Rustic Wilderness for the stems of the sunflowers. I am using the detail blender brushes from Honeybee Stamps. I think this is size 5, the smallest one. And I've got that green. And then for the sunflowers themselves, I will be using the scattered straw. For the centerpieces here, I am using gathered twigs and a little bit of black soot. I wanted it to have a bit of a two-tone color, so I am just carefully adding it just to some of the edges. There is 6 sunflowers here. I do end up only using 5, but it die cut 6, so that's what you're getting. But I love the size of these. These are really, really cute. I'm obviously not creating a pumpkin patch with these as the add-on. I'm going to use them a little bit differently. I'm adding a little bit of that scattered straw to the back of the sunflowers because this is kind of a layering die. So let's get these adhered together. They do line up. You just kind of spin them around and you'll find where they line up. Except for these two, I needed to switch between that one, and then it lines up fine. And I will do the same thing for the smaller sunflowers as well. And we do have the centers for those. And what I liked about these dies is that the 3 large and the 3 small sunflowers were hooked together as a die. So you're going to get 3 with 1 pass of a die cut. That is really nice. I like that, especially for something like this. When you probably are going to die cut a lot of sunflowers, you don't have to just die cut one at a time. So I really love the way Honeybee thinks when it comes to their dies. Let's add our little centers here. Cute, cute. Okay, let's adhere our die cut panel to our spritzed panel. I'm adding tape runner and liquid glue because I want instant adhesion, and then the liquid glue is really going to hold. So I'm placing that around the edge and then some dots in the center because I really want this to hold to that spritzed background. But then we're going to see this beautiful gold fossilized amber through those little die cut pieces, and that die also embosses. I forgot to mention that, which at the end here I'll show up closer. Then I stamped the sentiment from the mini messages fall sentiments. It says thankful for all things big and small, and I just stamped that with black ink. I'm going to trim that out with my paper trimmer, and this is going to be kind of our grounding effect on our card panel. I will pop that up with some foam adhesive because I love that. I'm not going to use foam adhesive on the sunflowers, but I'm not going to add glue behind the sunflower itself. I'm only adding glue onto the stem. And then the sunflowers just naturally kind of lift off the cardstock. So it kind of gives it a little bit of dimension. But like I was mentioning, this Coverplate, Fabulous Fall Coverplate die has the die cut pieces, the little dots, and it looks like little leaves. But then it has all of this embossed stuff on the background, and it is beautiful, you guys. I love this cover plate. It has like swirlies and leaves and all kinds of things, and I think the camera sometimes it doesn't really do it justice, but in person you can really see it. But I'm going to try to show it to you at the end here when we're done adhering all of our flowers. We're going to add 2 small, 3 large, and it's just this cute, simple little card, but it definitely feels like fall. So this will be adhered to a white A2 size card base, and look at that gold shimmer. And then you can start to see a little bit of that embossed detail on the back, and it is just so pretty. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by and watching. I hope that you enjoyed this project, and I hope you guys are excited for the release. Bye.